we'll guide you through how to stream on Streamlabs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll want to head to the dashboard where you can manage your stream settings and layouts. Look for the Stream option in the Settings menu. Click on it to select your streaming platform, whether it's Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook. Then you need to input your stream key, which you can get from your platform's dashboard. This key is essential as it links Streamlabs to your streaming account. Next, you'll want to set up your scenes. Go to the Scenes section in the bottom left corner and click the plus icon to add a new scene. Name it something memorable like gameplay or chatting. After that, you need to add some sources to your scene. Click the plus icon in the Sources box and choose what you want to display on your stream, such as your game capture, webcam, or display capture. Make sure you size and position these elements to your liking. Remember, you can add multiple sources to create a dynamic stream layout. Once your scenes and sources are set, it's time to adjust your audio. Go to the Mixer section to control the volume levels of different audio inputs. Ensure your microphone and desktop audio are balanced so your audience can hear you clearly over the gameplay. Before going live, it's a good idea to do a test stream. You can do this by selecting Record instead of Go Live to see how everything looks and sounds. Once you're satisfied, click Go Live to start streaming. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.